Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time. Alright, this one will be number 9593. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O is an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Let me see. Well. Come on. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.